did have a mini ice cube, but I lost it yesterday. This I got from Las Vegas, from the M&M store that they have there. It's a fidget spinner thing. And then this another slinky. This. And this. Let me get it. This I made out of it's like Legos, but yeah. Then I have this. And then I have more of these magnets in my closet. I just don't want to get all of them out. Okay. And I have some. Wait. Got this puppy. Then I have this with a bunch of pop tubes. And these wacky tracks. I used to have a lot of other fish, but at school I like trading a lot. These came off one of my sticky hand things. Okay, so that is a tour of all my fidgets. Bye. See you next time.